Yes.
Midlife crisis, round one.
So, been out today and Richard here has bought an mx5.
Why not?
Like you said, midlife crisis.
Okay.
Project car number 9. Yay! Thumbs up.
What have we got? 1.8?
1.8 NB Sport Mark 2.5. I think they call them 2.5.
2.5.
But because it's the Sport, it's got the 6-speed gearbox, 1.8 VVT. So, I don't know what they are, 146 horses, apparently.
I just shy of 150.
Nardy steering wheel, heated leather, and this one is very rare because it's got like this original sat nav in it, which I've never seen before. There can't be many of them with that. And it's done a whopping 43,000 miles.
Which means he'll sleep in until past midday the next day. She also weighs an absolute ton. Takes up a lot of room and costs a fortune because there's always more gadgets to balance.
It's good.
Yeah, super low mileage. Body works really clean for when we looked around it. No big dents. Odd little scratcher.
As you'd expect, it's what, how old is it now? 03?
16-year-old?
16-year-old for
16-year-old and 43,000 miles on it. So yeah, looking promising for our new project car. One of 3
so far.
so far. So Mr. Barnes has now got his Seicento, isn't it? It's a Seicento, not a Cinquecento. The red squirrel.
You one. The round
The
one.
round one. I've bought the Civic Type R. We haven't actually done a video on that yet, have we? No, so that'll be to follow. And Mr. Slick here has got himself an mx5. So,
Another hopefully to come.
yeah, there might be another mx5 on the way in the next couple of weeks or so. So we'll see if that arrives or not. So what the projects end up being, we're not quite sure yet. Possibly turbos all round. Possibly
That was the first thought.
NA builds, maybe. I mean, this goes reasonably well for what it is.
I like boost though.
Fair enough. It's a little bit addictive.
Very addictive.
So yeah, new project cars all round, and we'll see where we go from here.
See you soon.
See you later.